something's in the trash. Huh, that you, Oscar? Mira? Zoe? Rumi! They've turned into cats! Or maybe they're just kitty cosplayers. Either way, Ginu's taking you guys home. Do they offer obedience school for cats? If they do, we should really look into that. But first, we need to find those naughty kitties. Here's Zoe. I think Rumi's behind the potted plant. Last but not least, Mira. Ooh, they're so messy. Don't worry, Derpy's here with cleaning supplies. Soon, our feisty felines will be as good as new. And it looks like it's lunchtime. Who wants Rumi ramen? Let's hope there's extra fish cakes. Kitties love seafood. All done? Now it's time for you three to take a nap. When you wake up, you kittens are getting some mittens. And possibly pie. Oh, quick! Someone grab the camera! Careful, Sprunkies! It's one of the Saja boys! Don't worry, you know who shouldn't be far behind. Rumi's here to hunt some demons. Or sing K-pop. What a world! What a world! Let's take you to your new home. Oh, don't cry. Why are you still upset? Oh, it's just an upset stomach. Maybe you should just lie down.
Ew.
Why don't we make something to help you? Draw some jagged lines. Add some whiteout. When you're done, cut them out and move them into shape. Fold down those points and put a nice face on things. Fill it up with tissues. Always keep something up your sleeves. And always keep a friendly face at hand. Sure comes in handy when dealing with all this slime. Yeah, I'd keep those tissues coming if I were you. Hey, it's lunchtime. Cue the ramen. Grab the gimbap. But first, let's get the Sprunkies ready for some fine dining.
Oh.
Now we can really get things cooking. Fill it up with water. Now grab your favorite ramen. Instant Rumi ramen. Never leave home without it. This might take a while. Hey, where are you going? Come back, you guys! We've got toppings! Toppings! Guess this is one of those don't break your noodles households. Oh, you're at the table. Aw, you Sprunkies are so well-mannered. It's movie time! And that means popcorn. Which means we need to make some popcorn. Or better yet, we could make a new friend. Or an old friend, like Zoe. Complete with a big smile. She's the perfect movie-watching buddy. Especially when Abby is on the screen. See? This way, the popcorn practically provides itself. Now dig in. Uh-oh! The Sprunkies got into Rumi's secret stash! And it looks like they're not the only ones. Careful, this snack bag can bite back. Looks like Rumi's gonna need a helping hand. Ah, Rumi always likes to leave her mark. But we need to stick it to these bugaboos. So a stick of gum should come in handy. Good, we caught a worm. Make it a straw. I just knew that magic wand was a good investment. Cut it up. It'll really give our hands some bones. Run some string through them. Think of it as the marrow. Now why don't we pay a visit to our new pal, Mr. Roach? Careful, those things put up a fight. Aw, Derpy sleeps just like a little angel. But now he's about to meet 3 new devils. Oh, behave. Remember, he used to work for Genu. Oh, don't cry. Ooh, Derpy's got an idea.
Yeah.
What a clever tiger goblin kitty thing. Rumi has so many skills. Who knew paper folding was one of them? We can use it to make anything, like the Sprunki's own Derpy. In fact, they can each get a Derpy. Ha! Everyone gets a Derpy. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little Derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits. It's a tie. Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around. Here, guys, we've got a special sleeping nook for you. What? You need a lullaby? Well, Rumi is a singer. Oh, it's the atmosphere. You want a cooler bed. Well, we're all out of race car beds. I checked. But that Derpy-shaped piece of cardboard might help. All we need now is a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. That's it. Don't be blue, unless you're Derpy. Then it's on brand. The same also applies to the Smurfs. Next, we'll need a sock scribe? Oh, I see what you guys did there. Either way, we can use it to make pillows. Hey, Mr. Rooster needs our help. All part of the K-pop Demon Hunter's job.
Bye-bye.
And this bed could use this stylish chain. Derpy ain't got that thing if we ain't got that swing. Come on, Sprunkies, enjoy your new bed and ambiance. Oh, this place is really coming together, but it still needs something. The remote. Let's just watch videos on your phone. Hopefully nothing happens when your back is turned. Oh no! The Sprunkies are out and about! Yeah, Rumi, I'd come back if I were you. Oh no! They broke the TV! Sure, online videos are funnier. And far better written. But still, it's TV! Maybe you Sprunkies can fix it before she gets back. Something tells me that some cardboard will save the day. Not sure what Rumi's up to, but she might be a while. That should give you plenty of time to fix things. Add a few stickers and it'll look just like a TV. Stand it up and add a nice background. Ooh, you're gonna put on a show. Just in time. Rumi's found the remote. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to raise the curtains on the Sprunky show tonight. Come on, Sprunkies. Roomy's got a treat for you. We've got lollipops, one for each of you. All of your favorite flavors: cherry, melon, and purple. Oh no! Poor Simon! He dropped his lollipop. Oh, don't cry! I'm sure we can clean it up. Careful now, we don't want it to melt. But this gives me an idea. Trace out the shape. Look, it's Pinky! 2 for the price of 1. Cut them out. Fold her up, and she can hold the candy for you.
Ooh.
In fact, let's make one for each of you. Oh, naughty Sprunkies. You guys need a bath. What? Don't tell me you're dry clean only. Don't worry, we've got Color Guard. Ah, a banana peel. Oldie but a goodie. That loofah should come in handy. Like I always say, lamination solves all life's problems. I really do say that, by the way. We'll give the Sprunkies a demonstration. Now they'll know it's fun to get clean. Almost as fun as watching internet videos. Sure, slime's fun and all, but there's a time and a place. And that place is not on your antennae! Okay, that did the trick. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 Sprunkies in a tub. And soon, they'll be good as new. Now we'll need to dry you off. Don't worry, we know how to keep you warm.